Hey, what's going on, guys? No YouTube video for you today. Well, actually, what we're doing today is Subnautica again, but as you do. So I attempted to make another video on it, but then kind of failed, so I'm in a different position. So this is the Aurora. It hasn't gone. Okay. Okay, so shut up. Alright, so what I'm actually going to be trying to do is I'm going to be trying to get the habitat builder. So first of all, I need to know how to get a battery, acid mushrooms. I can get acid mushrooms. Here's some. So basically, I love this game a lot. I play it every day, to be honest. Mushrooms, okay. So I think I actually kind of spawned pretty damn far away from the Aurora, because I mean, like around the back almost and stuff. So just get inside the little life pod right now. Yeah, I repaired everything. Yeah. So I need to make a battery. A battery. Okay, and I need to know how to make a computer chip. Table coral sample. Yeah. I'm sorry I have to do this, but I don't even know what that is. Like, I don't even know what that is, okay, so I had no chance. Okay. Let's make one of these. Alright, let's go number 5. Alright, now we should be able to build on a platform. Why is it so high? I want to be high sometimes, you know. Alright, let's get a foundation. Let's put it there. Because that's what I want to do. Kind of, it's like the idea. Right, what does it take to build a walkway and I want glass? It's like Shrek. Shrek. It's not exactly that accurate, but yeah. So glass. How do I make glass? It's somewhere. Glass. I need 2 quartz. Let's go. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, trying to find some salt deposit. Quartz. Ice. I'm so tired. Quartz. Oh my god, is that a... Oh, well, that was a load of different pieces. But it's not. Alright. So now I have to actually watch my oxygen, don't I? Because I forgot about that. We need some food, actually. Oh yeah, I forgot I was playing survival. Sorry, I'm used to playing creative. I usually do that. What do I need? Glass. I forget most of the things. Alright, now I can build our first bit of a base. Let's go. Okay, ready? Wait, how much? Right. I have 2 pieces of glass I need. Fuck! Alright, we're just gonna have to go find some more quartz then, aren't we? Let's go. Get some titanium. I don't want titanium. I don't want to go in that because it'll burn me to hell. If that's what I think it is. Yeah, no. Ain't nobody got time for that. Damn, blow up behind me. Oh yeah, it's good. It's good to know. Right. Okay. So, frame rate. I hate this game sometimes. So, glass. And we can build our entrance in. Number 5 I need. Oh my god, we built our first bit of base. Oh, I need glass. Mad. I need quartz again. Alright, quartz. Main. Just need like a ton. What's this? I think it's the explosion.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
This is the explosion. Exploded. Is my base alright? I think my base. I don't give a damn about anything else. Is my base right? Okay, back to what we're doing. I was going for some quartz, I think. I can't remember where it was. But you know. Oh, I even found quartz, I don't know. But you know. That was cool. So we can't go near it because it'll kill us because it's radioactive. Frame rate. I have a headache now. What is that? I'm trying to find some actual quartz that I can use. Ooh, tunnel of love. With my bay quartz. Okay, I have enough oxygen, let's go in. If I get attacked by crash fish now, I would kill myself. Ooh. I want more quartz. I'm greedy. Okay, let's get the hell out of here, cool. It's going to drown. 41 meters deep. More quartz. I need this quartz. Right, okay, so there's no need to panic. We got air. Need air to live. Okay, so now that's blown up, so we need to go back over to our base. Cheat. Where am I? Use the fabricator man. I'm not gonna get some glass because we need some glass. Can I make any more glass? Yeah. Alright, so luckily we can make more glass because that's all. Bleach. Common coral sample. Oh wait, no. Never mind. Wait, it says computer chip and battery. Oh yeah, no, that's to make a thing, wasn't it? So, I need to let's get some food out. Okay. Alright. What do I need now? I don't need nothing actually. So, number 5. Yay! Wait, is there no oxygen here? Oh god. Wait, what do I need to make solar panels? Quartz 2 and titanium 2. Well, god damn it, I made that glass. I'm not sure if I can find anything else, to be honest. Here? Grabbing this quartz. Quartz! Yes! I need another bit. Come on, give me another bit. Then I get killed by crash fish in here, aren't I? No? Quartz! Come for Papa. I need titanium, so let me pick up a bit of scrap metal. Lol. Okay, more quartz. Is that not scrap metal? Oh, fins! Radiation gloves and fins. Ooh, abandoned PDA. Radiation suit. Oh, what the fuck? What? Oh my god. Oh god, no, air. Okay, so now we can literally go to the Aurora if we wanted to. Oh my, how did I not scale up there though? Oh my days. So is this scrap metal? Right, okay. So, well, as soon as I get some electricity in my spawn some base, lol. Right, so next episode I'm gonna go over to the Aurora, by the way. Middle finger it now. So, what do I need? Titanium, actually. Right, now I go down to out here. We get a solar panel. I just stick on top of here. And now, guys, we have green energy. Yes, we have oxygen in our base. Woo! Sorry. What do you need for wiring? Well, anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave this video here. So if you liked it, make sure you give a thumbs up and leave a comment if you want to. But I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.